Let me tell you, there is something very powerful about the moment when you stop saying to yourself, man, is this really for me? And you shift that mindset to, this is my next move. This is what I'm supposed to do. There's a difference, right? Well, let me tell you, most people who could be investing in real estate never do, not because they lack money, but because what's really missing is clarity. See, what you need is a well-prepared, personalized plan based on your current financial situation. A clear view of exactly how much you need to invest, where to put that money, and what you're getting in return. When you see it all mapped out, you realize you don't need to come up with the entire purchase price. You just need to leverage a small percentage, your down payment, and that makes you the owner of a much valuable asset. The great advantage of this is, as your property grows in value, you benefit from the growth on the full value, not just your initial small investment. And that is a game changer. Now, a solid plan shows you the net cash flow coming in, the tax advantages you will have with cost segregation, interest deductions, depreciation, and more. See, once you see all those numbers for yourself, you will notice how the right investment can put money in your pocket each month. And it will save you money when you file your taxes. See, real estate is not a quick win. Real estate is a long game, but it's a short game, right? Real estate rewards those who invest and give it time. So the faster you acquire your first property, the sooner you can start building momentum and multiply your results. See, I have helped clients go from, oh, I'm just thinking about it, to owning multiple properties, all by creating a personal plan that brings them clarity and confidence. See, once you see the path, the doubts fade away. So, if you're ready, or when you're ready to see exactly what's possible for you, DM me or book a call. I will build you a step-by-step plan customized to you so you can move forward with confidence and clarity.